I, Aditya Dua, will be discussing my 7.1c task, which includes the transmission between Arduino and the Bluetooth module. Arduino and HC05 can be used to transmit and receive data wirelessly using Bluetooth technology. So, starting with the steps to set up the communication between Arduino and HC05. Connecting HC05 to Arduino. Connect the TX pin of HC05 to the RX pin of Arduino and the RX pin of HC05 to TX pin of Arduino. Also connect the VCC and GND pins of HC05 to 5V and ground pins of Arduino respectively. Secondly, upload the code to Arduino. Coming on to the more detailed explanation of how the transmission and receiving works between Arduino and HC05. When you send data from Arduino to HC05, the data is first written to the software serial object that represents the HC05 module. This object sends the data as a series of electrical impulses which are received by HC05 module's TX pin. The HC05 module then converts the electrical pulses into a Bluetooth signal and transmits it over the air to the paired device. On the other hand, when you receive data from the paired device, the HC05 module first receives the Bluetooth signal and converts it into electrical pulses. These pulses are then sent to the RX pin of the HC05 module. The software serial object on Arduino that is listening to this pin reads the pulses and converts them back into original data bytes. Both the Arduino and the paired device need to have a Bluetooth module that supports the same protocol such as Bluetooth 2.0, 3.0 or 4.0 and be set up to communicate at the same baud rate, the speed at which data is sent/received. Also, the distance between the HC05 module and the paired device can affect the strength of the Bluetooth signal and the quality of the communication. In addition, factors such as interference from other wireless devices or physical obstructions can also affect the quality of the wireless communication. Overall, the process of transmitting and receiving data between Arduino and HC05 involves converting the data between electrical pulses and Bluetooth signals and receiving these signals over the air through the wireless Bluetooth connection. Additional explanation. The process of transmitting and receiving data wirelessly over Bluetooth involves converting the data into a Bluetooth signal consisting of digital ones and zeros, modulating it onto a radio frequency carrier wave, transmitting it over the air, and demodulating it back into usable data on the receiving device. This process is used to send data between an Arduino and HC05 module as well as between a mobile device and HC05 module. In both cases, the devices need to be paired using Bluetooth and the data is received as Bluetooth signals which are converted into electrical pulses or data bytes depending on which device is receiving the data. Factors such as distance between the devices and interference from other wireless devices can affect the quality of the communication.